Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again in our installment of the basics of Google Colab. This is video 4. We're looking at conditional logic. So, what is conditional logic? Well, as we learned in our prior example, logic is the way the computer understands information. It understands the information logically. So, what comes after 2, 3, what comes after 3, 4, this is just ingrained logic in our condition. So our condition this time is the visitor age, and the real crux of it is if the user is underneath the age of 16, conditionally they are too young to drive. I think the benchmark after your 16th birthday, you were able to do your driver's permit test. So underneath the age of 16, you are not able to drive. But if you're over that threshold, then you are old enough to drive. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to generate our code. So we go to plus code. We're going to set our visitor age. You'll notice again that since we were working with numbers, we are going to put int down in our code line, meaning integer, and we're going to do input enter. Oh, you can see, look at this. I messed up, but I'm not going to fix it. I'm just going to show you what happens. I'm going to let you take a second and try to figure out what it is that I'm missing from this very first line. So I'm going to run the program. Oh. This is one of the shortcomings of Google Colab. So I'm going to run this program, and we'll have a different view prompt. So look, syntax error, invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. I guess that's just throwing the dog a bone here. But it's actually not a comma that I forgot. I actually did not enter in quotation marks. So this is the question that the computer will ask us. Now I have those quotation marks in, and it gives us enter your age. So I'm just going to quickly terminate that. You'll have to excuse all of this stuff down here. It's one of the things of using a free program. I don't really know if, let's see. Oh, okay. Well, I got rid of it. Perfect. So we're looking to add an if or an else statement. So if our visitor age is less than 16, it will it will print you are old enough to drive. Congratulations. Another important thing is indentation. Like if you're writing a paper in your English class, you start every paragraph by indentating. I don't know if that's the word, but that's what I chose. You have to start a little bit off the red line on the page. You have to go a little bit inwards. So if print, we want to make sure that our if and else statements are on the same kind of starting line here, if you want to look at it like a football field or something. So if our visitor age is less than 16, or greater than 16, sorry, you were old enough to drive. Else, so if else, if it's else, we'll print you are too young to drive. You'll have to wait until the year after, whatever it might be. So, enter my age. I'm going to put 31. You were old enough to drive. Let's try it again. I'll enter 12. You were too young to drive. Oh, nuts. All right. Well, I'll have to wait a few more years. Thank you for joining me for this one. I'll see you in the next one.